Me and Pickle are heading to the neighbor's field. Not the neighbor's field, the field that I'm renting down the road, I should say. We're gonna ted that. Cut that yesterday afternoon, evening. We cut this yesterday morning. Dad already tedded this early before it got so dry that we're knocking a bunch of leaves off. You ready to roll?
Yep, baby.
You excited to drive the tractor?
Of course I am. I'm the new driver.
Okay. Let's get to the field.
Gotcha.
Let's roll. We're heading away, guys. We got operator in training. It's heading away. It's drying pretty good. What do you think, Pickle? She's concentrating a little bit. All right, we're done tedding. Heading up to the road. And heading home. Penelope tedded most of it. And we didn't ted some of the really thin stuff like this in here. And we didn't ted some of that lower stuff where we're gonna round bale, just because there's no sense in wasting time and fuel to ted something that doesn't need to be tedded, right, Pickle? What do you think about this tractor driving stuff, Penelope?
Good.
Good? What, can you tell them what you told me about how fast you're driving?
I'm a giant dandelion.
Yeah, look at that giant dandelion. Hey, can you tell them what you told me about how fast you're driving?
Pretty fast.
You said it doesn't look like you're going fast, but what?
It didn't look like it was going fast, but it felt like it was going.
Yeah, it feels a lot faster than it looks, doesn't it? That's because there's a lot of stuff going on a tractor. I don't know what kind of wheat this is, but she spotted it. I saw them too. They do look like a giant dandelion. Maybe you guys know what they are. Hey, Pickle, let's not spread the seeds all over the field, okay? We definitely don't want that out in the field.
Get it?
Can you get it? Tough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not in the field, not in the field. No! No, don't do that.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. That is just like a giant dandelion. Look at that.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, well, hopefully it's too dry and they don't do anything. What's one gonna do, right? Pickle. First time driving forward by herself. All right, guys, a little update. Penelope's driving the four-wheeler. I just checked this hay. It's pretty stinking dry. I'm gonna go ahead and rake it. We're going to the circus at 6 tonight. It's 4 right now. I know I'm probably being optimistic, but I'm gonna try to get it raked. And Dad's gonna be coming over, and I'm gonna try to get it baled before we go to the circus tonight. And that'll be that much that's baled and done and out of the way, just in case it does rain tomorrow. And then whenever we do bale Monday, so it doesn't rain tomorrow, we won't even have to mess with this. So now I won't be able to get it picked up, but hopefully maybe whenever I get back from the circus, not sure how long that'll last, but maybe we can get back, we can get some of it picked up, or I get done raking. If Dad's here and he's baling, I'll go ahead and start stacking. So let's roll, get it done. All right, guys, done raking. Took me about 25 minutes to rake. This is about 4.5, 4.8 acres, just under 5 acres. Penelope's out there riding. All right, we're gonna get the baler out. We'll check it over really quick. Put a little bit of grease in. Won't take much. And we're gonna skedaddle. We're gonna get the baling. This is when I'm gonna love having my moisture meter, because there might be some green stuff here and there because we're kind of pushing this, but I don't really think there will be. But if there is, I'll be able to see that and I can flip on my preservative and keep on rolling. All right, guys, so we are sitting about 240. Oh, there it goes. All right, we're gonna go at 240, I think, and we're gonna try it. I got my side pieces all the way in. We're ready to roll. We're gonna get the cranking here. I'd like to be done in about 30 minutes if I could, but I know that's probably not gonna happen. I'm also not gonna bale the far windrows. I'm gonna round bale those whenever we round bale the rest. And I may not bale the very end. We'll see what the moisture is on it, but we're gonna skedaddle. Here we go. All right, guys, it's plenty dry. The highest I've seen is 13, and that was down at the end in the shade. So we'll check the bale weight here, see if I need to crank it down anymore. It's not too bad. All right, Daddy-O's taking over. I'm gonna go get the stacker. We're not gonna have a whole lot of bales. I baled 20 so far. But man, this is some beautiful hay now. It's the perfect moisture too. It's not super, just terribly dry, but it's not moist at all. There we go. And Penelope is around here somewhere. Oh, there she is, right down there on the four-wheeler. She's gobbling that four-wheeler time up. All right, I'm gonna throw the stacker on here and we're gonna get to rolling. I need to stop him and tell him that I'm not wanting to bale the outside windrows over there. That's gonna be round bale stuff. It's got some weeds and stuff in it. There ain't no sense in square baling it. So, all right, unhook the rake, hook the stacker, and I think I'll have time for one load with the stacker. All right, guys, I'm finally stacking. Daddy-O's about half done with the field. Maybe not quite, but just about. Here we go. See if we can beat him.
me and my dad and Penelope all went to the circus. It's the first time Dad's ever been, the first time Penelope's ever been. We had a pretty good time. It's really close by, so it was nice and convenient. We did end up getting it all baled. I got one stacker picked up, the other one left in the field, and then later that night I went ahead and picked up the rest of those by hand after we got done with the circus. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you, God bless America. Franklin County Forage out.